Hello children, I am Suchitra Miss and today I am going to take language of class 4. So children, take out your book and open chapter 14, that is present continuous tense. So children, now it's the time to explain you what is present continuous tense. So follow me. Now what is present continuous tense? Present continuous tense indicates the actions that are taking place now and also going on. Means the actions that are taking place now. At present the action that are taking place is called present continuous tense. For example, I am doing well. Number 2, she is talking to you. Number 3, they are not coming. Number 4, the boys are playing football. Number 5, I am singing at church today. Number 6, the baby is sleeping in his crib. Number 7, we are visiting the museum in the afternoon. Number 8, you are not watching the movie. Now, in order to understand present continuous tense properly, you have to understand what is helping verb. So let's come to helping verb. See what is given in this bracket: is, am, are. Is, am, are called helping verbs. These 3 words or 3 letters are called helping verbs. Plus verbs plus ing. So in a sentence, in order to understand that whether the sentence is present continuous or not, firstly you have to find whether any helping verb is there. See, for example, Grandpa is reading the newspaper. Is helping verb. Is helping. Verb read is verb. Plus verb is verb plus ing. Reading is reading the newspaper. So Grandpa is reading the newspaper. Now in this way, these examples you can understand. See, I am doing well. Am is a helping verb. Do is a work, it's a verb, and ing. So I am doing well. This sentence suggests that it's a present continuous tense. Number 2, see, she is talking to you. Is a helping verb. Talk is a verb plus ing. Is talking to you. So this sentence also suggests present continuous tense. In this way, all these sentences suggest or indicate present continuous tense. Now children, open page number 65. Over there you can see that's chapter present continuous tense, chapter 14. Now what is given warm up? Write the answers to the given question in the space provided. What are the children doing? The children are flying kites. What are they doing? They are washing the car or cleaning the car. What are the children doing? I will not tell. This is very easy. Number 3, 4, 5, 6. All this you will do at home. Let me see what you can do. We use the present continuous tense to say that an action is taking place time of speaking. Page number 67. See what is given. Exercise, add ing to this verb and write them correctly. What is given? Number 1, run, running, aim, aiming, rub, rubbing, shine, shining, quarrel, quarreling, speak, speaking, hit, hitting, make, making, leave, leaving, forget, forgetting. Now see, come to number B exercise, filling the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in the bracket. Number 1, the bell dash ringing. The bell is ringing. Number 2, the birds are eating grains. It will be are. The doctor dash treating the patients. The doctor is treating the patients. Number 4, some women are sowing seeds in the fields. Number 5, the oxen dash grazing. Oxen, the oxen are grazing. My foot dash aching. My foot is aching. Number 7, the goat is lying on the ground because it is hurt. It will be is. Now come to exercise number C, filling the blanks with the present continuous form of the verb given in the bracket. The children dash some fruits. Eat is given. The children are eating some fruit. Kate dash gifts from Christmas. Kate is buying gifts for Christmas. Number 3, my father is driving to Pune tomorrow. Drive is given. It will be is driving. Number 5, I am reading dash a book about India. I am reading a book about India. Read is given. It will be am reading. In this way, you will solve all the exercises. You will do all the exercises, okay? Now come to exercise number D. What is given? Read this sentence in the present continuous tense. Number 1, I play in the park. I am playing in the park. Raju delivers newspaper. Raju is delivering newspaper. Number 3, Shabir teaches Urdu to Kamal. Shabir is teaching Urdu to Kamal. In this way, you will do this exercise also, okay? So children, I believe that present continuous tense will be very easy for you all to understand. Whatever I have taught you, I hope will be easy for you all in solving your assignment. With this note, I am ending this video. We shall meet in some next class. Thank you.